Okay, I'm in Word for Mac, and I want to remove all these hour numbers here in this document. So one way I could write like this, and it will find all the numbers. The problem is it will find also numbers that I don't want to erase, like here in the text. So I do write this like this, number, 2 points, number, and it chooses all this format, our format. That's great. So I just replace all, bingo. Then I want to take the empty lines. I do like this, P for 1P. Okay, replace all, and bingo. Then I want to replace here. I just do like this, and a space here, replace all. And voila, that's it. Okay, another example. Let's suppose I have this text and I want to take out all the time this word, these characters. So one solution is to go edit, find, replace, and write this. That's caret hash to mean that will take us to the numbers, 2 column, 2 points, and do this like this, comma, like there, and then you, let's see, find, so you get all these numbers, replace all, then we can take this arrow here, and then we take those numbers there. Let me see, caret hash caret P, and then we take the rest. You know, it's let me see here. So we put caret P, and we caret P, put caret P, replace all. And then you just take the paragraph mark and the space. And there you have it. Another solution, let's open this file again. Another solution would be to open this again. We could go to edit, find, advanced find and replace. We use wildcards, and we should write, let's see, write the solution would be this thing here. And what? So between square brackets 0 to 9, it's number, and here it means at least one number. Between the curly brackets, 1 comma, it means at least one number. And again, we do like this, comma, the same thing, and let me turn it here, find all, and we'll do the same. Okay, that's it. Thank you.